Welcome to the Our channel. In this video, you'll learn the operator workflow for launching an initial token allocation. This is the sandbox environment for the FADL project, the chief broker of the ANTA Ecosystem. End users will view this information on their interface, and this is how you configure it. Connect a wallet. We use a single Avalanche testnet on this environment, but any Ethereum-based blockchains are available for use. The flow starts with asset creation. You'll need to provide the ID ticker and token name, position, and precision. To customize the asset type and logo after creating a new asset, click the Edit button in the General tab. When an asset is marked as RWA, an additional information layer appears to capture its real-world value and details. T-Rex type designates the use of the ERC-3643 token standard, which features built-in on-chain compliance. For each platform operator, a dedicated T-Rex factory is deployed as a sovereign solution. A shared T-Rex factory is also available for launching tokens within the ANTA ecosystem. Token deployment is a single, straightforward step. All data is pre-configured, and you only need to approve the blockchain fee from your wallet. As a platform operator, you can define the asset class, income type, APY, verification level required for purchase, and provide other vital information investors need to review. For real estate assets, you can add information about location. In Gallery section, you can upload the images and define their order for end-user application. Also, there is an option to upload PDF files. The data summary lets you easily provide more information to convince the end user to invest. This data structure includes useful templates that are fully customizable on the data structure page. You can customize existing templates by adjusting rows and sections, or create a new template. The Compliance tab is an advanced section for configuring modular on-chain rules that automatically travel with the token. It appears simple on the operator interface, but behind the scenes, it activates and configures multiple layers of rules. Investor country. First, select whether to define a list of allowed or restricted countries, then activate the setting by confirming the transaction in your wallet. Once the parameter is active, select the countries to apply the rules to. You can also limit maximum token balance per investor wallet. Key investor requirements is the biggest section of compliance settings. KYC or KYB verification is enabled by default. You can keep it as is or deactivate it. In the default parameters library, you can configure additional settings that your KYC provider can support. Since this is your dedicated infrastructure, customizations can be applied at any level to suit your specific needs. T-Rex provides a top-level security layer that prevents non-whitelisted wallets from modifying the compliance rules. The Allocation tab lets you create an automated primary market for initial token allocation on-chain. Market conditions define the distribution rules for your token offering. To prevent errors, the price is calculated automatically based on the net asset value divided by the token supply. You select the accepted currency, set the minimum token purchase amount, and define the buyer commission as a percentage. This is the only required step if you are launching the token on your own private T-Rex factory. FADL is different. It utilizes the ANTA protocol, which stands for Agent Network for Tokenized Assets. There are several additional steps to fully configure the automated fund flows. Token owner, the address of the entity that receives the primary funds after each token sale, along with the corresponding portion of the net asset value. Automated commission split defines the commission distribution between the broker, who issues the token and manages the investor database, and the agent who handles token distribution. A final review of all configured settings, with the option to go back and make edits before proceeding. The main step, launching the token allocation on-chain, where all advanced commercial parameters are embedded directly into the token. This completes the operator flow. End users can now invest in the asset, where compliance and commercial settings are fully programmable and automated. We can deploy our distributed software on your own dedicated infrastructure and web domain if you need to demonstrate to investors that you operate your own platform rather than being a tenant on someone else's white label solution. Your own fully branded live platform, a sandbox, or both. A simple starting point for building your own tokenization platform. Book a call to explore the details further and get your questions answered in real time.